And the next train to depart from platform 3 is going to be the 1809 West Midlands Railway service to Bromsgrove via Birmingham New Street, calling at Lichfield City, Shenstone, Blake Street, Butler's Lane, Four Oaks, Sutton Coldfield, Wild Green, Chester Road, Erdington, Gravelly Hill, Aston, Birmingham New Street, Five Ways, University, Selly Oak, Bourneville, Kings Norton, Northfield, Longbridge and Bromsgrove. I mean, I am working on voiceovers actually to take over the trains. I've done one for Avanti. I've done West Midlands trains. I'm not sure whether my attachments have gone through though. He's now ready. You good to go?
Good to go.
Ready for the famous whistle as it moves track.
Not in the shot, am I?